So guys, in this tutorial we will look at how to add Swagger in your ASP.NET Core project. So I will create a new project from scratch and show you all the things step by step. So first of all, I'm using this template ASP.NET Core Web API template, and I will try to create a new app from scratch. Let's give it the name demo app Swagger. Okay, click on next. You can choose 3.1 or 5.0, any one of them. I'm going right now with 3.1, and I'll click on create. So it will create a new project for us. Okay, so project has been created, and if you try to run this project, it will run in the browser and it will show you that the default, it will open the default controller, which is the weather forecast controller. This forecast controller will be opened and it will show you the sample data that it have. So this is the output we got by default. So if we go again back to the project, so adding Swagger is very simple process, and it is a basically 4-step process. So these are the steps listed here that we need to follow step by step. So first of all, we will install this NuGet package in our project. We will go to the NuGet package manager. Here, click on Browse tab and type Swashbuckle.AspNetCore and install this package. Accept. So the package has been installed. The next step is to add the Swagger generator to the services in Startup.cs file. Go to Startup.cs file, scroll down below. So go to this configure services method, and here I will paste this code and this piece of code, and I will also provide these all steps and piece of code in the description of this video, so you can copy from there and paste in your code. So the next step is to add the middleware. So the code to add the middleware is these 2 lines, and we will add these 2 lines here like this. Okay, the last step is to replace the URL in properties and launchSettings.json. So here you can see weather forecast is the default URL which is being set, and we need to change this. And what we will do, we will copy this and go to our code and paste it here and comma. So we are done. Just need to change this port with this one because we need to run this application on HTTPS. And now that's all. We will now run the app and let's see if everything went well. Well, there was an error. We forgot to include the namespace here. So to include the namespace, right click on this and quick actions and refactoring. It will give you suggestions, and you just need to add the namespace, which is this, using Microsoft.OpenAPI.models. So now we are done. Again, we will run the app. So here you can see we are done and it's working now. We have successfully enabled Swagger into our project. So that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.